Hey, Jackie, how are you?
Good, I'm doing well. I've been a little busy. Had a couple of hearings this morning. What brings you two here?
We want to tell the judge to call off our divorce case. You probably heard that Brett and I were going through some tough times recently, but we decided to go to counseling.
So are you going to hearing today then? You mentioned talking to the judge.
We want to get a hearing to make sure our divorce doesn't go through.
If all you're trying to do is to stop the divorce, you don't need a hearing for that. Just fill out a request for dismissal form and take it to the clerk's office. Did either of you file a response?
I did. Does that stop the dismissal from going through?
Not at all. It just means you both need to sign the form. You should get a copy back in the mail. I'm happy that things are going well for the both of you.
Well, we better get going. Where did you say that form was?
Go to the Self-Help Center. They should have it there. Or you can download the form from the court website at home if you want.
It was nice seeing you.
Take care.
To dismiss or stop your case, you must file a request for dismissal with the clerk's office. If a response has been filed in this case, both parties must sign the dismissal. Cases with domestic violence restraining orders must be reviewed by the assigned judicial officer for dismissal. You can obtain all the necessary forms from the Self-Help Center or from our website.